Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Sometime when the body control module or generic electronic module or smart junction box SJB or GEM module, which is located there in most Ford, is a different place. This is Ford Expedition, and the location is there. When you change it and you program it, you may get some codes. One of the codes or one of the symptoms that you see here, this light will flash by itself. The reason why, because either you did not finish the tire pressure programming, tire pressure sensor have to be configured into the body control, new body control module, or two remotes must be worked. In this car, we have one remote that works, but next remote is missing. It will cause this one to blink all the time with the car running. Also, on this particular car, 2010, the security, the key will start. But you will see that here, you're going to see those codes. You see, I'm going to show you the code here and here. One of them, this one, left rear tire pressure monitor is not registered. Right rear is not registered. B2 870, 2870. Also this one for right front and also left front, as you see here. And now this one also module configuration failure because we don't have the remote, two remote, and we did not write down the tire pressure in the system. So this is a quick information that I'm giving to you. Don't worry, be sure that before you start programming a new module, have those items ready, two remote to register in the body and also to the body control module or the GEM electric general electric module, and also be sure you have two remotes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.